How to run functions in parallel. I researched first and couldn't find an answer to my question. I am trying to run multiple functions in parallel in Python. I have something like this. I want to call func1 and func2 and have them run at the same time. The functions do not interact with each other or on the same object. Right now I have to wait for func1 to finish before func2 to start. How do I do something like below? I want to be able to create both directories pretty close to the same time because every minute I'm counting how many files are being created. If the directory isn't there, it will throw off my timing.
You could use threading or multiprocessing. Due to peculiarities of Python, threading is unlikely to achieve true parallelism. For this reason, multiprocessing is generally a better bet. Here is a complete example. The mechanics of starting/joining child processes can easily be encapsulated into a function along the lines of your runbot func.
If your functions are mainly doing I/O work and less CPU work, and you have Python 3.2+, you can use a thread pool executor. If your functions are mainly doing CPU work and less I/O work, and you have Python 2.6+, you can use the multiprocessing module.
This can be done elegantly with Ray, a system that allows you to easily parallelize and distribute your Python code. To parallelize your example, you'd need to define your functions with the @ray.remote decorator, and then invoke them with .remote. If you pass the same argument to both functions and the argument is large, a more efficient way to do this is using ray.put. This avoids the large argument to be serialized twice and to create two memory copies of it. Important: if func1 and func2 return results, you need to rewrite the code as follows. There are a number of advantages of using Ray over the multiprocessing module. In particular, the same code will run on a single machine as well as on a cluster of machines. For more advantages of Ray, see this related post.
Seems like you have a single function that you need to call on two different parameters. This can be elegantly done using a combination of concurrent.futures and map with Python 3.2+. Now, if your operation is I/O bound, then you can use the thread pool executor as such. Note how map is used here to map your function to the list of arguments. Now, if your function is CPU bound, then you can use process pool executor. If you are not sure, you can simply try both and see which one gives you better results. Finally, if you are looking to print out your results, you can simply do this.
E falando, Jaimo, melhor considerar substituindo.